In primetime news this evening, double trouble. Hospitals see increase in patients with non-communicable diseases amid COVID crisis. Stakeholders speaking out. More COVID cases. Justice Ministry among offices to close as employees test positive for coronavirus. And September back to school. Private schools to restart this month despite announced 1-month delay from Education Ministry. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what will you be doing differently when heading out to vote on Thursday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.